Okay, so we're gonna start with the tank first. All right, let's just light that up.
It's made by Dominator Fireworks.
Oh, okay.
So cool.
Which way we're gonna have it
I'm
go?
gonna set it right here. That's where.
Oh, that's where it's gonna
Ready?
blow up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go a little straighter.
You gotta run. Run, run.
Charge, boys!
Oh no, it fell on the side.
Oh!
Oh, this is an awful.
Oh, it didn't go. It didn't even drive. It tipped over.
There's cars coming.
Okay, so we went to
Red Hot Fireworks.
Red Hot Fireworks, and our goal was to spend 20 or less. So we picked up a lot of these cheap ones. Like, look what we found.
We found like these Halloween ones.
Yeah, these were only $2. So we're gonna set these off.
And then we found this frog prince and princess, and these were about $5, like $4.
Those are $4. These fountains, I think this one was $1. Yeah, $1, you guys. So I'm definitely gonna check these out. We're gonna test these out, and if these dollar ones are pretty decent, I'm just gonna grab a whole bunch.
This one's colorful dream. That was $1.50.
$1.50.
We got this killer bee one. And how much is that one?
These ones were buy one get one free, so we got 2 of them.
Yeah, we got 2 of the killer bees.
And then I think we'll only try one bee. This was also on sale too. This one was $2 right here. This is a junior cuckoo, I believe. Is that what it says?
Cuckoo fin. Yeah.
So $2. Okay.
This one is Mamma Mia, and how much was this one? This
Mamma
one's
Mia.
on sale though.
Yeah, this one was on sale. It was, I think this one was $6. It was buy one and get one free. So, you know, buy one, get one free. They have a lot of the buy one, get one frees there.
This one was sweet.
Oh, sweet. This is $1.
Okay. Then we have this. What does that say? I can't read the font.
Bullwhip fountain.
And that was $2.
Yeah, this one is buy one. Oh, yeah, this is $2. So we're
That
gonna.
was one I found and said, "Oh."
Yeah, we're gonna find out why it's on sale and if they work. I'm gonna go back and get a whole bunch of more of these cheap ones.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I think we should try this one first. Actually, this
Yeah.
bullwhip
Okay,
one.
then let's try this one
I saw that in
second.
that box. This is like a box of ones that are like dusty and rained on looking. So I just wanted to see if it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's try this bullwhip
Let's try
one.
that one. Yeah.
Oh, that was $1.
Hi.
Was that $2?
Yeah, it's $2.
It's not that bad for $2.
No.
Okay, this one is sweets, and this one was
$1.
$1. Okay.
No, I don't want it dirty enough.
All right. That one was $1. Oh my gosh, I had to move. Oh wow, that freaked me out.
That was cool.
No, it came too much this way.
Is my shirt on fire?
No. What is this one called? Mamma Mia. Okay.
That was a little bitty one.
That little bitty one set off.
That was like
Like
$1,
crazy.
and it went
Okay,
everywhere.
I think this one was like $6. Yeah.
$6. Let's stand back in case this one's intense too. Alright, run.
Oh, that's pretty.
It is really pretty.
It's gonna end with horrible bangs, isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
That was $6.
Okay, this one is Devil's Party. This was $2.
$2.
So you get like Frankenstein or witch, a skull, pumpkin.
Which one should we light off?
I don't know.
Let's start off with a pumpkin or a skull.
Okay.
Skull.
Okay. I thought it was the dog. I see, that's it. Yeah, those ones just make noise and they just do that.
Yeah, what are you
Can we do the rest?
Yeah.
Stop staying so close to those things. No, stop getting so close. Stop. No, that thing's going to be hard. Get close. Stay away from it. Go back to work.
It's okay, baby.
Get over here.
Come here, Dad.
Okay, I like the pumpkin the best.
Yeah, one of them shot off very good and the rest just made like a whistle.
The pumpkin was awesome. The skeleton scream, Frankenstein's monster is just a little sparkle fun.
Yeah.
So the pumpkin's the best.
Okay, this one is the
Killer
Killer
Bees.
Bees. Now, you know what? For being so cheap, these ones let off pretty good.
Yeah.
They actually jump out at you, so you have to like run
sweets.
back. Like, I'm so surprised that these tiny ones are letting off
So
like really good ones.
I love the sweets one. That was only $1.
That one
and it
kind of
blew
scared me
up.
because it like blew up at us. I was like, oh, all right, let's
Yeah.
try the Killer Bees.
All right.
Back, all the way back.
Oh, poor
That's what goes on.
Ooh, Killer Bees.
So the bees on the side must be the screamers.
Probably. Ooh, it
Let's let
stinks.
it burn down just in case it's going to hit some fuses.
Oh, that stinks.
Smells like when you burn a bee's nest.
You get more.
Okay, so next we're gonna do these. What are these called? Prince and Princess Frog.
Frog, Prince, and Princess. So the
And
pink
this
one's
was
Princess.
$4.
Yeah, $4.
So let's try the Prince first, right?
Prince first.
Okay.
Yeah, then we'll do the Princess.
Let's just see the biggest one.
It's just like a fountain.
Yeah. So the fancy package.
Oh, that was it? Wow.
For what, $8?
No, that was $4.
Oh, $4.
You get 2 for 4.
You want to do the Princess?
Yeah, let's light her butt on.
All right.
All right.
Get the Princess.
I think they should just sell the pump.
It's so short.
The $1 and $2 ones beat the $4.
I know, right? Isn't that
Party
crazy?
pooper. So next we have Colorful Dream, and this one was $1.50.
$1.50. These seems to be the ones that are pretty
Yeah, the
good.
cheap ones are actually better than the more expensive ones. And only buy like
All right,
$3.
let's give that to your dad.
All right.
Wet in the area, wet in the area.
There you go, Father.
That was a good little one.
That was a good one for $1.50.
$1.50.
$1.50. Fountain Dreams, I believe.
Over
Okay, so that one was called Colorful Dreams. All right. $1.50.
So we know how
Those
to get.
cheaper ones are outshining the expensive ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
only about like $3 expense.
Okay, so we've been setting off a lot of these boomer fireworks that we found at Red Hot Fireworks stand here in Arizona. So you guys should definitely check out that stand. They have a whole bucket there of fireworks from $1 to $1.50. I want to say the highest would be $3. Anyways, these ones seem to be really good for $1. Only $1 and $1.50, you guys. I know Walmart has the TNT brands that are $5, but don't be afraid of these dollar ones. They're actually really good, and they seem to be all by Boomer. So that is it, you guys, for our little firework set off. We just wanted to check some out. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see all of you in the next one.